Welcome to our first week of campaign and event planning. My name is Professor Chad Harris, and it's an honor to be your instructor this term. I'm going to be making these videos every week just to give you some tips on the materials and what's expected of you in the work for this week. All right, so in this first week, I want you to get started early thinking about your project. So go directly to the Module 4 project milestone and read up on what's expected of you that week. You're going to be preparing that as you go along in these next couple of weeks. And also make sure that you're reading the Week 8 project description, which is due in Week 8. Read that early and get a good idea of what's expected of you in that description. The company that you're going to be doing a public relations campaign on is called Creative Incorporated. That's a fairly vague name that can mean a lot of different types of companies. So you really have a lot of leeway there about what type of company you want to do this campaign for. The options are relatively the same. One imagines that you're a national company, and one imagines that you're an international company, and they're relatively the same project. Okay, but really both projects are addressing the concept of corporate social responsibility. This is a growing concern in public relations, and a growing public relations concern for organizations is their impact on the environment, their stance in their local communities, and so on. So that's really what this project is about. For the discussion this week, you are identifying a public relations campaign and talking about it, so the good and the bad aspects of it. This is really to get you out there looking at real public relations campaigns out there in the real world. Make sure that you're consulting the resources for this week in the lecture, as well as I'm going to give you a couple of extra links to some resources for looking at case studies. One is from Public Relations Week, some list of case studies from a standard magazine in the public relations industry, and the other one is from the Public Relations Council, just a list of some current real-world public relations campaigns that you can use in your discussion and to be thinking about your project, all right? So please reach out to me. Again, my name is Chad Harris. You can see my email here on the screen. You reach out to me if you have any questions about the course material or about the course overall, all right? And you all have a great week.